Getting started with Green Badger is easy. If you received a link to join a project, simply click that link. Otherwise, go to web.getgreenbadger.com and that'll bring you to our login page. If you've already created an account, you can log in. If you haven't, simply click the sign up button and fill in the blanks for email, first name, last name, password, meeting all of our security requirements. Finally, check agreeing to terms of use and then click sign up. Once you log in, you'll be at your dashboard. If you've been invited to join an existing project, you'll see that project front and center. If you're setting up a project for the first time, here's where you do so. Simply click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner and fill out your relevant project details. Make sure you pick the appropriate LEED rating system. That's the only detail you cannot change after the fact. Select a start and end date. This is based on your internal construction schedule. Doesn't really matter to Green Badger what you put in, but this will be represented in your construction progress bar on your dashboard. So pick whatever makes sense for your project. Project area is useful for LEED version 4 projects where one of the calculations is done based on project area. So if you know it offhand, put it in here. You can also update any of these fields at a later date. Then simply click Add and your project will be created. Well, you can create a project within Green Badger. To actually work within it and start managing your LEED documentation, you'll need an active project license. If you have not already arranged this with us, give us an email or a call and we'll get you set up. If you already have your LEED scorecard, you can manage your Green Badger dashboard so it just reflects the credits that you're pursuing. To do so, go back to the Edit button in the top right corner. Here is where you can update any of your project details. If you want to upload your LEED project scorecard, you can do so. Or you can go to Manage LEED Credits. This will allow you to select which credits you're going after and which you're not. If there's a credit you are not pursuing, simply click Not Pursuing, and it will remove it from your dashboard so that you don't see it. You can always turn these back on later, so if your scorecard changes, just simply come back in and select that you are pursuing the credit. It won't stop you from tracking it or from logging credits. It's simply going to remove it from your dashboard so it's not cluttered up with a bunch of big red circles. Simply click Save and save again, and your project dashboard will be updated. Once your project is activated, you'll notice the grayed out circles and dashboards goes away and you can now access all of your LEED credits. But first, let's set up your project team. Within Green Badger, you can invite an unlimited number of people to each active project. We have 3 different roles: read only, read write, and invite read write. If you need to actually manipulate data and upload new information, you should select read write. And if you also need the ability to invite other team members, you should select invite write read. Inviting them is easy. Simply just select the user role you want them to have, enter their email, and hit send. If you have more than one person you want to invite with the same user role, simply enter their email with a comma and space, and then enter a second email. Once you have members on your project team, here's where you'll also be able to come in and remove them from your project or change their user role. If you want to restrict people's access to individual LEED credits, you can do so as well. Just simply click the checkbox of the respective credit underneath their name.